Alright, today I'm going to be showing you a video of how to replace the air filter on the C8 Corvette. I'm going to be replacing the stock air filter with this Attack Blue air filter, and basically our goal is going to be to get the liner of the trunk out so I can get to the air filter on the other side of that. So to start out with, what we need to do is disassembly this part and that part that you hold the target top in, and then we're going to be using this tool right here to do that, which I'll have a tool description list in the beginning of the video. Then also suggest using a trim tool to pop out these rivets right here. So we're going to start with, let's go ahead and taking out if you have a cargo net on yours, you can go ahead and take that off. One thing I like to mention, if you have a high wing spoiler like this one, I would go ahead and wear some clothing that's not scratch your car, because you will be leaning into it, or put down a blanket or something like that to help protect the paint. Alright, so the next step is going to be, you can go ahead and take these rivets out right here. One here, one right here. All right, so the next step, what we're going to do is go ahead and use the tool to take out these rivets now. So we have all the rivets out now, so what we want to do is take out this trunk liner. And we can just place that to the side. All right, so the last step we need to do is just take off this panel right here. So we just need to take out all the screws going around. All right, now that we have all the screws out, the next step is just to go ahead and take off the cover, which is going to expose the filter right here. All right, now that I have all the bolts off, we can just take off this cover. And that will expose the stock air filter. Alright, and then we're just going to replace it with the new Attack Blue air filter.
Yeah.
Alright, so this stock filter just comes out like this. One suggestion from the manufacturer, if you're doing it on a cold day and it doesn't seat properly in here, is just to run a hair dryer around the plastic, the rubber here, a couple of passes just to warm it up a little bit, make it easier to put in. The tab needs to go on top, and there's a place for it to slide in right on the top.